take a shot with the 30th. Oh, yours is magazine. Mine's not magazine. Hey, who's this? That's combos.
Just missed that shit.
Yeah? No? What? Yeah?
The flare go out? No, it's good.
It's just on the ground?
Yeah. You going with the AR?
To hit it with the 22. It's gonna bounce off. Put the air gun away.
Hey, Bob.
Really?
Oh, just missed it. Hit my can. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! That is fucking amazing! Woo! Oh, dude, I got that whole fucking thing recorded.
Yo!
Damn! You trying to kill me? Oh, your 22 didn't hit it. Oh, well, who hit it? I did. With what? 45? 45.
You thought the 22 was gonna do that?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can tell because I hit it.
Oh, that was fucking perfect.
That shit was coming straight.